Hi, I'm going to show you how to add more requirements to your project in Olive. So by now you've probably got some requirements in here and you may have used Magic Fill to fill in some answers. But we want to flesh this out and make it really about us. So what we want to do is we can start by adding entire whole sections. Maybe we have some security requirements we want to add in. So we'd make a section and we can add requirements under there. One by one, for example, must be GDPR compliant. So that's one way we can add requirements. We can also add them from libraries. So we can have a look here. We have the CRM library. I'm in CRMs. And we can go down and have a look at maybe some data issues, import, export. Let's add that into security as well. We can ask AI to recommend some requirements. So we can say CRM and generate some more topics around CRM. So customer segmentation, data analytics, automation, these are all pretty relevant. Let's generate some requirements there. The system's then going to go out and find some good recommendations for you. So we can pull some in here, integrations, omni-channel agents. And let's add those into just general features for now. And you see those will be populated here. So now we've got some extra requirements and we can keep going. You can use the chatbot if you'd like to write me some good CRM requirements for a small software company. She'll come up with requirements as well. And we can add those directly into the project right from in here. So we could chuck those. Let's put those into general features for now. So now we've got lots of different types of requirements in here. We now want to... So that's how we can add requirements. Once they're in here, we can move them around. So maybe we want to move these into a different category in a different section. We can move those over to the sales requirements. And let's say we want to add one more section of marketing. We can add some of these into there. We can also select all. And when we move those over, we'll now have lots of groups of requirements. What's good now is when we go back to the comparison and we hit Magic Fill, we're going to be able to see how these different vendors support us, not just across the board, but for each different category. So as these answers start coming in, we'll start to see how these vendors support us across the board, maybe where some of the gaps and risks might be.